Hey, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to play the entire rhythm guitar section for Symphony of Destruction by Megadeth. It's a super easy song, super metal. There's only 3 parts to the song, they just repeat. So let's just jump in and break this one down. Alright, so I'm going to change this to clean just to make sure you can hear everything correctly. But here we are. We're going to go the intro, and the verse is essentially going like this. I'll turn the distortion back on in a second. So this part, 1 3 1 on the 6th string, is palm muted. So bum bum bum, and then we have an F power chord, and then an E power chord. But just remember, when you play that part, do you see my hands pop like that? You're gonna play it and then mute the strings. That's what's gonna give it such a killer sound. Let's do this with some distortion. Got that? So again, without distortion, bum bum bum, F power chord, E power chord, da da da, da da da, dun dun dun, bum bum bum. That's it. All right, let's move on to the pre-chorus. It's gonna go like so. 6th string, bum bum. Okay, what happened? 6th string, 0 0, and then we had 7 7 on the 5 and 4 strings. Bum bum bum. That's what's happening. Bum bum da. Palm mute on the 6th string, and then the next one 6 or 6s, palm mute, and then the 5s. I'm doing a little double stop, playing 2 notes at the same time. Palm mute, and then we got a little da 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 in there. That's 4th string, 5 7 5. Hammer on pull off. Got that? And the last time what's going to happen is you're going to go da da da, slide it down, and then we're going to go bum bum. 5 string, 5, da 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 da. Again, it's going to go 5 string 5, and then 5 string 1 0, and then 4 3 2 1 0 on the 6th string. It's a little chromatic thing, just walking down all the notes. Okay, that is that. So let me do that last part again for you. We're going to go here. Got that? Okay, now the chorus. This is the last section. We're going to go the 6th string. Play that for me. 6th string 0, and then a power chord, E power chord on strings here 4 and 5, 7 9. I'll get rid of the distortion while I talk. Then we got that guy in there. That didn't move. E power chord. Slide that down. Let's do it again. Bum da, and then that goes to the 8. Da da. 6th string 7 7. Bum to the 5. Again, go nice and slow for you. Bum 0 on the 6th string. E5. 7 8 thing. 6th string. Ba. 5 6. And these 2 fingers are going to go 7 7, and then slide that down. Again. Nice and slow. I'm breaking this down, so obviously if you don't even have the very, very first thing memorized, you should memorize that, pause the video, memorize it, then move on to the next section, okay? Cool. So that's what happened. So da 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 da, slide it down. 6th string, C power chord. 4, 4th string 4. So dun 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 dun. Okay, do that part again. 6th string 0, C power chord. That's third string, fifth string. 4, 6 string. So boom, dun, 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 dun. Again, da, 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 da. One more time. And then da, 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 da. 5, 4, 5, 7. Again. And then this repeats for the chorus, but this last measure is going to be different. So let me do the last, let me do that. Goes back. Dun, 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 of destruction. Does that make sense? So the chorus happens, it just repeats. It's 4 measures, but what's going to happen is going to be an alternate ending. So you play the first 4 measures, bum, 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 and then you do it again, bum, 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 but then you do the alternate ending. So you don't do that thing. I can't bend my finger down without my ring finger bending too. So let me play the whole chorus now, nice and slow. Of destruction. There you have it. So let's go back over all of those one more time. I'll put the distortion back on. Here we go. We've got the verse part and the intro essentially. You get that thing down. Then the next part. You got that? And then the last part, the chorus. Okay, so that's the entire song for Symphony of Destruction. I hope you liked this video. There are 3 parts to it, remember. Get those parts down individually and then put the song together, just jamming out with the actual track. Do a lot of playing, a lot of listening to it to get it right. And let me know in the comment section below if you liked it or if you didn't. And we hope to see you in the next training. All right, see ya.